Look at old Sleepyhead, he's sleeping away. Perhaps you can hear him snoring. That's a cat he twitched during his sleep. Hopefully you can hear him snoring there quietly. Oh, that wonderful little face. I can't help it. I love that little cat. Well, he was a big cat, but he's no little cat. Well, he's a littler cat. But an old, tired old man. Okay, we'll let him sleep. Little belly rising up and down as he sleeps and snoring away. God, he's lovely.